Okay children, let's see the next exercise. Actually this is going to be a very interesting exercise because we are going to create a new word from here one picture, here a set of word, isn't it? Here a word and here picture. We are going to combine the picture and word. Okay, let's read the heading carefully. Use the picture clues to find the new words. Okay, here the picture was given. By using the picture clue, we are going to write the new word in the given blanks. Okay children, did you got it? Okay, if you don't understand, don't at all worry. If we do one exercise, then you will get down easily. Okay, then you get it easily. Okay, let's go to the exercise. Listen here. This is, what is this? It's looking in yellow color. What is this? Yes, this is sun. Okay, this is sun. Okay, tell me the spelling for sun. Yes. Sun. Not then it become a san. It's a shorter sound. Then n. Next n sound, isn't it? Sun. Okay, here given a word rise, eyes, rise, sun, rise. Okay, we will find it out a new word from the given picture clue and the word, isn't it? Did you know what is sunrise? Yes, at morning the sun will get rise, isn't it? Okay, let's do the next picture. This is dust, isn't it? What is this? This is dust. This is bin, in. It's not, if you get e sound, then you want to put a I, isn't it? I told you already, isn't it? I told you already. If you get a e sound, so you have to put a I. Bin, in. N sound means yen. Bin. I'm going to write this dust here. D, U, S, T, dust bin. Dustbin. Okay, this is a dustbin. We will use to throw the dust in this box. Okay, what is the usage of dustbin? To put the dust in the box. Okay, if you going outside, if you eat something, ice cream or banana or whatever, or like chips, you have to throw your packets into the dustbin. You should not throw it out on the road randomly. Okay, you should properly put those dust into the dustbin. Okay children, will you follow this? Okay, let's move to the next picture. What is this? This is, yes, this is car. Okay, tell me the spelling for car. Car. Yes, a ru. It's a r. Car. I'm going to write this. This is, what is this? T-O-N. Tone. Tone. Okay, I'm going to write this tune. Then I'm going to tell you the full word. Cartoon. Okay, cartoon. Okay children. Okay, let's move to this picture. Here the word was given and here the picture was given. What is this? Do you able to see the picture? What is this? Yes, this is the way. It's not a road, it's a way. Okay, W-A-Y, way. I'm going to write here rail. R-A-I-L, railway. Yes, you got it. Railway. From the car plus tune, you got the cartoon, isn't it? What is a cartoon? Do you love the cartoon? Yes, what is your favorite cartoon? Oh, you all having their own favorite cartoon, isn't it? Okay, I too love Dora and Ninja Katori, isn't it? Do you all love that? Okay, and this is a railway. Railway means, yes, in railways they have trains, isn't it? In railway station you will used to see the trains. Do you all love to travel in train, children? Oh, how yo, a lot of memory are liking to travel in a train. Okay, children. Okay, let's move to the next picture. Listen, here a word is given and here is a picture. What is this picture? This is, what is this? This is book. Book. B O O K. Book. Book. Okay, here I am going to write the note. N O T E. Note book. Note book. Okay, isn't it? You will use to write homework and classworks and activity. You have a notebook, isn't it? That is a notebook. Okay, let's go to the next picture. Here a picture was given and here the word was given. Okay, just find it out. The first picture word. Bed. Okay, what is the spell sound you are hearing? B, b, b. Yes, B, b, this is a shorter sound. D, d, d. Very good. Bed. I'm going to write. Take down and going to write it on this blank. Room. Room. If a same word comes, then we will have a longer sound. Room. Bed. Room. Bed. Room. Okay. You will sleep and you will sometimes you will jump on the bed, isn't it? Okay, that is called bedroom. Your sleeping room is called a bedroom. Okay. Okay, let's go to this picture. Here a word was given and here an picture was given. What is the picture name? Pen. Very good. Using the pen, you will write it the notes, isn't it? Pen. P. N. It's not a pan. It's not a pan. It's a pen. Pen. E. Long, shorter A sound means we want to put a E. N. Pen. This is a H-A-P. Hap. H-A-P. Happen. Happen. Okay, happen means something action was going there. Some action is going there. Okay, happen. Okay, let's see the next picture. This is not a stone. This is a rock. Rock, isn't it? Rock. Here a word is given. Tell me the spelling for rock. Raw. Yes, you are getting the R sound. Raw. O. K. Rock. K. K. C sound, not a K. Rock. K. K. Rocket. Yet. Rocket. Okay, here E is available here. So I'm just ET is here. The word was given. I've just write it the ET and I've just written the picture clue rock. The CK, sound of the CK, I told you already. What is the sound of the CK? K. Rocket. Rocket. Okay. Did you saw the rocket? Okay, the rocket will fly on the sky, isn't it? Is it the fastest? Yes, it is the fastest aircraft. Rocket. Okay. Let's see the remaining two pictures also. The remaining two pictures are here. Let's see. Here a word was given and here is a, what is this? This is a dog. Okay, I'm going to write the spelling for dog. O. Yes, O means O. G. Dog. I'm going to take and write this bull. B U L L. Bull dog. Okay, bull dog. Did you saw the bulldog? Yes. How did it look it? Yes, it's look it like a very cruel, isn't it? Yes, we seem to be very when we are seeing the bulldog, we will get afraid, isn't it? Okay, you have to be keep a distance with the dogs. Okay. Let's go to the next picture. Here the word was given and the picture was given. What is the picture name? Yes, this is spoon. Spoon. You're getting the yes sound. Spoon. Spoon. I'm going to take and write the T. T-E-A. T. spoon. Okay, teaspoon. Okay, so far we have created a new word by using the picture and the remaining word. For example, this is a sun and this is a rice, sun, rice. Okay, this is a dust and this is a bin, dust bin. This is a car and this is a tune, car, tune. This is a rail and this is a way, railway. This is note and this is a book, note, book. This is a bed and this is room, bedroom. This is hap, this is a pen, happen. This is a rock and this is a et, rocket. This is a bull and this is a dog, bulldog. This is a tea and this is spoon, teaspoon. Okay, children. Now you got the lot of new word, isn't it? Did you get to know about the lot of new word, children? Are you? Okay, children. Okay, let's move to the next exercise.